Hey, what's up guys? Jamie G back here again. Thanks for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, pretty much everything digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me for this crazy journey I'm on at the moment. So feel free to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Today what I'm going to cover is a whole bunch of stuff that I learned in a very quick amount of time at the Facebook ad expo that I just went to, where I was invited to come and attend, which was really super cool. Anyway, stick around. I'm just going to teach you guys a couple of things that I learned, and that'll help, hopefully help you out with your ads and your ad creation. All right, here we go. See you on the inside. Hey, what's up guys? Jamie G back here again. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I'm just going to rush through a real quick one today. I've been at a Facebook Expo for the afternoon. It's been pretty full on, and I've learned a whole bunch of stuff about Facebook advertising and how the direction of the creative should go, all that sort of stuff. They did give me some really funky little tools and gadgets to take away as well. Got this nifty little I don't know what it is. It's like you chuck your phone on it, it automatically charges. They've got some little book thing here. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. Little book thing so I can write down my creative ideas. I've got some stickers which show you the best, I guess, best ideas for creatives, things like that. I've got some information about videos and how to run those, some other cool stuff, plus the goodie bags with stuff. But here's the real kicker, and this is the thing that I think is really sweet, is it's basically the top 10 creative apps. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Anyway, they're developing this thing, and they're basically suggesting that more and more of their push in the future is going to be towards mobile. Well, mobile, because 78% of internet traffic is going to come from mobile by as early as 2020, which is kind of crazy. But secondly, that they think video is the next big thing. Well, it was already here. It already is the next big thing already, right? So here's the top 10 recommendations from Facebook of how to develop your own videos. So hopefully you can see all that. Feel free to take a snapshot of that if you want. You might even be using a couple of them yourself. But I'm going to probably leave a couple of links down below as well. I'm not going to get remunerated for them or anything like that. It's just a couple of things I think are going to help you out. I'll list those down below in the thing there for you anyway. So that was it. But like I say, the big takeaway is to use mobile. Well, use mobile targeting first of all. Now, it doesn't matter what you do, so it doesn't matter if it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that sort of stuff. Mobile is huge, as I'm sure you're well aware. Secondly, use video and try different types of video. Like I say, there is a bit of information here about how to go about that, and unfortunately I can't really share it all. It's quite complex, but anyway, that's the two major takeaways in your advertising, is that you really do need to be using video as part of your advertising solutions, part of your creatives, all that sort of stuff. It's really going to change your results. If you're just using static images and nothing else, you really do need to be like playing around with video, and it can be really simple. There's even an app there, one of the ones recommended on that sheet there is called Ripl, R-I-P-L, and basically what that does is take photos and puts them into this funky little kind of slideshow, but animates each image so it expands and contracts, or zooms in and out, I think the more appropriate term is, and basically puts writing on it and all that sort of stuff. So even if you've got a couple of product photos, if you're trying to advertise something, or a couple of still frames from your website, you can actually just use those, chuck it on your app, put some writing on top, like a discount offer or a 2-for-1 or whatever the idea is. Chuck that in there, have a play around. Not sure what happened there. I don't know why it seemed to cut out on me. Anyway, right, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I was just going to sign off anyway. Like I say, my name's Jamie G. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks very much for joining me. Bye-bye.